In this video, I'll show you how to use your Apple Pencil Pro. Let's start by how to pair it with your iPad, and then I'll show you a few tricks. So after unboxing your Apple Pencil Pro, most of the time it's already charged out of the box. First step is to turn on your iPad and simply put your pencil on the magnetized pad on the side of your iPad. You see mine is over here. This is an iPad Air 6th generation, but it works with other iPads. I'll put on the screen right now the compatibility list for this Apple Pencil Pro. Take your Apple Pencil and you'll notice that one side is flatter than the rest. You see, this is round and this is the flat spot where the logo is. You just need to put it right on that pad and automatically it should clip in place because it's magnetic. Now let's take a look at the screen. You're gonna get this welcome message that's pretty standard. They will tell you here all the different gestures that you can do with your Apple Pencil Pro. Press continue. So you can go ahead and remove your pencil from this magnetic pad here. And we'll try to squeeze it. So to squeeze, it's very easy. Grab the pencil the same way you're grabbing a normal pencil. And what we need to do is to squeeze, okay, this part over here, anywhere. You don't need to be very precise. Okay, so let me do it. Simply squeezing with my finger. Now it's time to hover over the screen and squeeze the Apple Pencil to have quick access to these tools. So you see, I'm not even touching the screen. I know it's a bit hard to see here. I'm not touching, and the iPad detects that my pen is hovering above the screen, and I can select one of these tools. And if I squeeze, these tools disappear, you see? By squeezing, you can make them appear, and without touching the screen, you can select one of these. And you can try them out. This is a blank piece of paper here. Once you're done having fun with this, okay, we need to press the continue button. It's time to scribble. This simply means that you need to write anything in this box over here, and it will convert whatever you handwritten into actually text. So let me try this out. So I'll press continue when I'm ready to exit this. And now it's time to activate Find My. So you can add this pencil to all the other devices like AirTags, iPhone, iPad, your MacBook that are into my Find My app. This means if you lose it or if you forget it somewhere, you'll be able to find it on a map. It's quite cool. So you have the choice to add it or not. It's up to you. I'll press add a pencil since this is a quite useful feature. And it will add to my Find My account, Apple account. It will show you on this map over here. I have blurred mine so you don't see my exact location, but your location will be displayed over here in this map. If everything is okay, simply press the done button and this screen will disappear and you can now use your Apple Pencil Pro. On your iPad, you're going to find this spot over here that is a different color. It's a charging pad really that is magnetic. Take your Apple Pencil Pro and you're going to notice it has a flat side where the logo is. The other side of the pen is all round and smooth, but this side is flat. You just have to drop it in the middle where this charging pad is, and since this is magnetic, you just need to find it. Here we go. You see it has clipped in place and you should see the battery level of your Apple Pencil Pro at the same time. So the first step if you want to customize this feature is to go into the settings, and both the Apple Pencil Pro and your iPad should be already paired together. So let me go in settings, and then over here you're going to go on the left side, go down until you see Apple Pencil. From here, tap on this, and on the right side you're going to have multiple options opening to you, and the one we want to customize is the squeeze function, so we're going to go over here and click on it. By default it should be show tool palette, but there's other options you can select. My favorite is definitely the shortcut. If you click on shortcut, this page will open up and you can customize it by yourself to almost anything. Here you have some examples, but you're not limited to the one that you're seeing over here. you can create your own personal shortcut. I won't show you in this video how to create, but there's already a lot of them already made for you that you can simply select to use. One that many people are using, if we go down here, is the record one. Let me show over here, record voice memo. Even if you have opened any apps on your iPad, at any moment, take your pen, squeeze it, and it will start recording a voice memo. So if somebody is talking about something very important, you can squeeze your pen and record and record in just a matter of a second. For that, select record, and just to demonstrate, okay, let me exit here. Let's say I'm using my iPad and whoops, somebody is saying something important. I want to record it. Take your Apple Pencil, squeeze it, and it will automatically start recording, as you see. One last thing I want to show you, if I go back over here, is the sensitivity. Not many people know, but you can customize the sensitivity of the squeeze. So if you prefer squeezing very hard to register, put it all the way to the right side, and now you have to press a lot more than before to make it happen. Or if you want it to make it very easy, put it towards the left side, and now I barely have to click to squeeze it, and it registered. So again, this is something you can play with. And if you don't like the squeeze function, you can also simply turn it off. So how do you change it? Well, it's very easy. Okay, this is the tip. You're gonna take it, you're gonna hold the pencil like this, and with 2 fingers you're gonna rotate the tip counterclockwise, so like this. Okay, rotate it because it's screwed in. You need to do this a few times, and then you can simply lift it off and it will reveal the Apple Pencil a screw, I don't know how you want to call it, and this is the tip over here. Now if you want to put a new one, and let me remove this one from my Apple Pencil USB Type-C, you simply have to align them, push it, and you need to be gentle, okay? You don't need to do any kind of, you don't need to apply any excessive force, because then you can break stuff. Okay, so I'm simply gently putting it in, and then I'll turn clockwise like this until I feel a resistance. And this is important. Many people are tightening this up really hard like this because they don't want it to move. Don't do that. You risk damaging your Apple Pencil if you do this. Simply turn it normally until you feel that it stops, and then that's all.